Greetings to everyone. In this video, I will show you how to draw a candle in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Using the Rectangle tool, draw a horizontal rectangle and select its color. I would also like to add that we are uploading the vectors created in this and all the following videos to our Patreon account in EPS format for our Patreon supporters. To support us, all you have to do is visit the link in the description and choose any 1-month package. Thanks. Using the Selection tool, we slightly soften the lower corners of the rectangle. We draw a vertical rectangle with the Rectangle tool and set its color. We draw a circle with the Ellipse tool and draw a rectangle on it. With the Rectangle tool, cut our circle with the help of Pathfinder and set the appropriate color. We draw a vertical rectangle with the Rectangle tool and place it above the candle. We draw 2 circles with the Ellipse tool and cut them with the help of Pathfinder. Using the Selection tool, we soften the lower corner of the object and the fire is ready. We make the sequence Object, Offset Path, Path and color our fire. Follow the link in the announcement and choose any monthly package on Patreon to support us and take advantage of the benefits provided for Patreon supporters. Thanks.